Today, I'll show you how to create multiple Proton Mail accounts step by step using Proton's built-in options. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what to watch out for, and how to smoothly set up an additional inbox under your existing Proton setup. First, open your web browser and go to protonmail.com. If you're already signed in, you should see your inbox or the main Proton dashboard. If not, log into your primary Proton Mail account the way you normally do. It's best to do this on a trusted device and a secure network since you'll be managing account details. Once you're on Proton Mail, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile area there, usually showing your initials, an avatar, or an account icon. Click on that profile icon. This is where Proton keeps options related to your account, including switching between accounts or adding new ones. After clicking the profile icon, a small menu will open. In that menu, look for the option that says Add another account. Go ahead and click that. This tells Proton that you want to set up an additional account instead of just changing settings on your current one. Using this feature is generally better than trying to juggle multiple browsers or private windows. Next, you'll see an option to Create Account. Click Create Account to start the process of adding a brand new Proton Mail account. At this point, Proton may show you some information about the benefits of extra accounts or its different services. You can quickly review that if you like, but the main thing is to continue into the setup flow. You'll now be asked to select a plan. Proton offers both free and paid plans, and what you see may depend on your region and Proton's current offerings. Carefully review the options on the screen. If you just need an extra basic inbox, the free plan may be enough, though it might have storage or feature limitations. If you're planning to manage several addresses for business or more advanced use, a paid plan can give you more flexibility. Choose the plan that best fits your needs, then confirm your choice so you can move on. After selecting a plan, look for the option that says Create a new account and click it. This confirms that you're not just modifying your existing account, but actually setting up a separate Proton Mail account under your user profile. Now you'll be taken to a form where you can enter a new username and password. Take a moment here and choose a username that matches the purpose of this new account, whether it's personal, work-related, or for a specific project. For the password, use something strong and unique. Avoid reusing passwords from other services. A good approach is to use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, or rely on a password manager to generate and store it for you. Once you're happy with your username and password, fill those in carefully and double check for typos. When everything looks correct, proceed and look for the button that says Start using Proton Mail now. Click that button to finalize the setup. Proton might run through a brief initialization and then you'll be taken into the inbox of your new account. From here, you can switch between your main account and this new one using the same profile icon in the top right. Follow these same steps each time you want to create an additional Proton Mail account, and you'll be able to organize your email into separate, secure inboxes without any confusion.